Nothing synthetic, just what nature gives you. Real energy, real ingredients. This is Citra. Natural energy, nothing else.
This entire commercial, the visuals, sound, the voiceover, and the music was done using Seedance 2.0 with one prompt. This was done with the help of Claude Cowork. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how we can do it from the client brief to the final product. As always, you can get all of these prompts and the final skill file inside the Skool page. Link is in the description below. For this tutorial, we will be using OpenArt for both Nano Banana 2 and Seedance 2.0. If you don't have any account yet, use the link in the description to sign up and get extra 20% off from the code below in the description. Make sure you use my link first to sign up, then apply the code. Alright, let's jump in. Here's the brief I get from the client. A new natural energy drink called Citra, premium clean green tea, guarana, real citrus. Tagline is natural energy, nothing else. Client already gave us the logo. Everything else is open. Color palette is open. If you are working for a project, you will get this type of client brief. They will explain what type of product and who is the audience they are looking for, etc. All right. So we have this simple client brief. Normally, when a client gives you a commercial brief, they will also supply the product images. In this case, they didn't. So we need to create the product ourselves. We could do this with Cowork, but I already have a clean prompt ready for Nano Banana 2. It's a JSON prompt with everything we need to create the can design. I have also decided on the theme, light colors, mostly white with green, orange and yellow accents, because those are the colors in the client's logo. Now, this prompt tells Nano Banana where to place the logo, what kind of graphic illustration to use, how the can should look, and the lighting setup. You can grab this full prompt from the Skool page. Now, copy this prompt, open OpenArt, model set to Nano Banana 2, aspect ratio, keep it vertical so we can get just the can. Later, we will use this image as the reference for every scene. I will generate two options and then pick the best. Alright, both looks good. I will go with this one in here. If the client ever want the actual print ready design, you can unwrap the can into a flat rectangle, then import it to an Illustrator, vectorize it, bump up the resolution, convert to CMYK and send it for print. You can do that also with this prompt in here. This prompt use the hero can as the reference image and unwraps it into a rectangle. Copy the full unwrapping prompt and go to OpenArt again. Use the selected can image as a reference image. Keep the aspect ratio very wide as possible. We need to have the full rectangle. Then create the image with this. As you can see, this prompt unwrap and place it in as a rectangle. On the last thing, we need more angles. Different angles gives us flexibility when we build the scene later. I have two more JSON prompts. These use the hero can as our reference image. Then one generate a front angle, the other generates a top-down angle. Each prompt specifies where the graphic sits, where the logo goes, the angle of the can, the materials, the camera, and the lighting. Now I'm going to use the same setting but use the first image as a reference to create three more images. We have three angles now, all locked to the same design. All these prompts again you can get it in the Skool page. Alright, so now we have everything we need. Now we can start our commercial. For that, let's open Claude Cowork. Cowork is going to act as our creative director, the person who designed the entire concept and breaks the commercial into scenes using the reference images we just built. We need to set up Claude Cowork first. First thing first, start a new project from scratch. Then give a name for the project, in this case, Citrus Commercial. And then you can upload all your resource files into the folder. You need to choose a folder for this, or you can directly upload in here as well. I'm going to upload in here directly. I'm going to upload all the cans. We have 4 angles and also the logo, so it will know which files and what we are working on. All right, then create the project. Make sure you are creating a new folder where we are going to place everything in this project. Choose your model as well. I'm going to choose the latest one, but for this project, to be honest, Sonnet 4.5 or 4.6 is good enough. Now we can drop the brief into Cowork with a master prompt. What this master prompt does is very simple. It tells coworker to act like a senior creative director at a commercial agency. Then it gives cowork a clear structure to follow: scene breakdown, voiceover script, closing frames, 5 scenes at 3 seconds each, and it tells coworker to pick one direction and commit, not give alternatives. Without the role and the structure, coworker work and write like a generic AI. With this script, with this prompt, it writes like a real creative person. Now place the master prompt and then copy and paste the client brief in the client brief section and run it. Okay, it done its magic. Now you can see creative interpretation, 5 scenes, voiceover script, closing frame, everything in one run. Whatever we need for the commercial is done with one prompt. But there is one thing in here. Cowork also recreated our branding. If you don't have branding, you can straight away use it from the Cowork, but we already have a branding, which it looking for a premium brand, and it used the black theme and so on. I think it didn't go through with the images. The correct way is paste everything in that folder, in the folder you have created, which we did not place them. That's why it didn't take the images, but it's all right. What we can do now is we can give all the images we created, and I'm going to say strong direction, but I am overriding the visual language. The can is already designed and locked, and just give some description: matte white aluminium body, colorful citrus illustration wrap the label. Then you can also give the information about the label, and then Citra logo in forest green centered on upper third. And then we can give the text natural energy in small photo screen text. I'm just describing the can. And then most importantly, we need to say rewrite the scene breakdown using the existing can. Keep your scene structure, spacing, camera work, and voiceover script exactly as you had them. Only change the visual treatment. Now we can put the new visual treatment and then update the color palettes and the background, lighting, and so on. All right. All these things you can get from the prompts. Okay. I'm just going to send it again. All right. So now it has came up with the revised script with scene by scene description, voiceover, everything, and also a closing frame. And all of them are revised based on our original can design. I read through with the story. I like the story, very short, very powerful. So I'm going to stick to the story. If you guys didn't like your story, you can ask it to rewrite again. You can also give it an angle so it will write based on your angle. For me, this is good enough. Next, creating the images for each scene, which is going to act as the reference key image for that scene. We have 5 scenes, so we need 5 images. Now let's ask Cowork to write the image prompts as well for Nano Banana. We need 5 prompts, but if you straight away ask Cowork, it will give you 5 regular prompts. We need to use advanced prompt for this video. I already have this advanced prompt in here, and on top we which explanation saying how to use this prompt, and then it will give you the full idea to the Cowork about what we are looking for. You just need to copy and paste, and then Cowork will make other 4 scenes as well based on this design. You can also ask it to run all 5 from fresh. It will do all 5 from, but based on our original JSON from here. All right, just copy this prompt and paste it into Cowork. Cowork has created all 5 JSON prompts for images. If it's missed out the first scene, ask it to create the first scene as well. Now all we need to do is copy these prompts one by one and paste it into OpenArt and upload all 3 canned images we created as reference images. You can also upload the logo image in here as well. Keep the aspect ratio 16:9. Then generate the images one by one. Alright, so all 5 key images have been created, as you can see in here. Now we need to download all of them and name them properly scene by scene. Alright, so now is the fun part, the final step, which is creating the animation. For this, you can go to the Seedance animation prompt in here. So this is our final prompt. This prompt is for the Claude Cowork, and what this prompt does is it's telling the coworker about you already have the scene breakdown, voiceover script, and the closing frame of for this commercial. I have now attached all 5 scene images in order to write one complete Seedance 2.0 prompt. So this is going to be one prompt for the entire video. And then we also say which image is which scene, image 1, image 2. We can tag these images inside the OpenArt, sorry. So that's why we have this scene 1 is image 1, scene 2 is image 2, and so on. And then we are just telling each image acts as the first frame of the scene. Seedance animate forward for the frame. And then we also describing the motion direction, sound design layers, and aspect ratio, duration, structure. And then we have this issue in here. We need to keep the Seedance prompt within 2500 characters. Reason is OpenArt only allow maximum 2005. So sometimes it can be a challenge. So you can divide the video into couple of parts, maybe 2 or 3, then you can join together as well. But I want to show you guys in here we can do everything with one prompt. Since this is a 15-second commercial, you don't need to worry too much, but some models may give you flexibility to more than 2500 characters. In that case, you can adjust accordingly. Now what we need to do is copy all of them and go to Cowork again and paste it. Then you can also give all the images you downloaded scene by scene, keyframe images, and ask Coworker to look at it as well. Once it analyzes, it will create the final prompt for our video. Copy the final prompt, paste it inside Seedance 2.0 inside OpenAI. Make sure to upload all the images and make sure the names are correct in the tagging in the prompt. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and then generate the video.
Nothing synthetic, just what nature gives you. Real energy, real ingredients. This is Citra. Natural energy, nothing else.
That's the full commercial. Brief to delivery, 3 tools, 1 working session. Everything you need to run this workflow on your own brief is inside the Skool course. The brief analyze prompt, all the canned prompts, the 5 scene image prompt, the Cowork instruction that wires the Seedance prompt for you, plus the skill file that loads the whole system into your own Cowork automatically. Paste the brief, get a commercial, that's the system. Link is below. Come and join us. See you guys in the next one.